If you're in print on demand and you missed the Halloween trend, don't worry about that. We've got loads of opportunities to recover and redeem ourselves. And in this video, I want to share with you the best 20 niches that are crushing it right now for the next biggest trend, which is Thanksgiving. It's about 20 days away, and we have loads of opportunities to take advantage of and capitalize on. So I'm going to share my screen with you and show you what is really smashing it right now, and give you a bit of analysis, talk you through a few bits and pieces that you can do to capitalize on those niches and hopefully get some sales. So yeah, let me share my screen with you. And we're going to go to Merch Dominator Bestsellers. I'll type Thanksgiving, and then I'm going to go through the niches with you. But before we do that, I wanted to share with you this PDF that I've prepared for you guys. If you're just starting out on print on demand and specifically Merch by Amazon, it's completely for free. You don't have to pay me anything. I'll leave you a link down below in the description. Just enter your email and you'll receive the PDF via email. There's loads of different things that you can benefit from, different processes, bits and pieces that you can definitely find value in. And if you guys, want to know exactly where you can find it, just go to the description down below in this video right here, and you can find it over here. But other than that, you can check out my other services. If you don't have an account, you can buy a Merch by Amazon account and you'll get it within 24 hours or so. Check out the Merch Dominator discount, where we're running a 50% off discount at the moment. My course and a few other bits and pieces. Yeah, you'll have all the resources down below in this video right here. But let me go back to the crux of the matter. Hopefully you can find some amazing value here. Right, so the first niche that I want to talk about is this niche right here, guys. Meow, fake cat. I've prepared the niches already here. I'm going to share with you 20 niches, guys. 20 niches that are really, really good, selling well at the moment. So 849 results. And look at that BSR, guys. That BSR. And so many opportunities to get in. And what do we notice right off the bat? We notice that they're using, the vintage elements. Vintage sunset. You can try different sunsets as a variation. You can try different, graphic elements for the turkey and the fake cat. Just mix and match. But the niche is crushing it right now, as you guys can see. Right, decent BSR all around. Next, I'll find it from here. So we have pour some gravy on me. Okay, let's go. We have 595 results. Look at that BSR. And again, guys, when we're trying to make a design, we always have to look at what people are selling. What are people selling? And then we make our design based on some of the best sellers in there. Either make a variation of the best-selling design or maybe add something to it, bring in value. And that's how we do it, guys. You don't have to come up with a brand new idea and keep testing until you find your bestseller, because I guarantee you, once you find that bestseller, people are going to come and, get inspired from it, and they might even run ads on it. And here you are. You've just wasted so much time, so much valuable time that you could have used to create designs that you already know that are validated, that are going to sell. Okay? So, again, the niche is doing well, guys. You just have to try and find a sub-niche within this niche. So everything that I'm showing you guys is actually the top of the pyramid in terms of niche research. You have to dig deeper a little bit. You have to try and be more specific. Try and sub-niche a bit more, right? Find new opportunities to sub-niche. I'm just showing you what is really selling right now. Okay? Next, we have this one right here is inspired by Pac-Man. I would not suggest you guys do it, but just wanted to kind of, show it to you because it is doing really well at the moment. So I typed pumpkin pie Thanksgiving. These are the kind of variations that we get. Here we are. Selling really, really well, guys. So some people are doing it with pie. They're using pumpkins, the mathematical symbol, right? trying to be clever there. And they're trying to reference the, pi as a cake, and also at the same time, pi, the mathematical symbol, that kind of thing. Right, next, we have peace sign Turkey. This niche has 1,000 results. So I wouldn't say it's full, because it's got so much traffic. You can still definitely get an opportunity to enter. If you, find a way to enter, if you find some kind of, angle to play. Look at this. They're using the beak of the turkey here, as you guys can see, right? In different ways. So try and find a way to kind of, mishmash these designs and come up with your own version, right? Look, they've added thankful, okay? The others didn't have thankful. So just look for different opportunities. They've added played and the bleached background there, and the beak of the turkey as well. Even leopard, they've added the leopard design elements there. So mash it up with concepts that are selling well, and that's how you're going to stand out, guys. Right? So when we look at this design right here with leopard, it doesn't exist. There's not many of them that have leopard, right? So we've seen so far maybe 2 or 3. Okay, next. We have I Like It Moist Thanksgiving, okay? Look at that. Decent BSR, guys. And a lot of them are concentrating on the sunset element. So use the sunset, use maybe the groovy element. Maybe you can use the rainbow elements as well. Just try different things and see what works. Because one person might like it, the other person might not like it. Right, it's all about testing in this industry, guys. Gobble till you wobble. Okay, 284 results. Maybe it has more results when we go to page 3, but obviously we don't have time to go to do all of that. I'm just trying to show you the BSR here, so you guys can see that the niche is doing well. And then it's all up to you guys to how to enter the niche. Right? Finding the niche is one thing, but entering the niche is another thing, right? So it depends on your creativity. It depends where you see the opportunity. Thanksgiving turkey and touchdowns, 1,000 results. The niche is doing well as well. It's not bad. It's not as good as the others, but it's not bad. Next, we have dabbing turkey Thanksgiving. 209 results. Maybe it has more results when we go to page 3, but yeah, check it out. And just as you guys scrolling through different niches, different designs, you might find another niche that is doing well. So for example, over here we can see construction vehicle Thanksgiving, right? So you can mix different niches with the Thanksgiving holiday, right? So you could even have, the birthday niche mixed with Thanksgiving. Maybe someone who was born on the 23rd of November might like it because they have their birthday right on Thanksgiving, right? Etc. I'm just giving you guys ideas. You can do it for nurses, for teachers. The biggest niches in merch by Amazon, or Amazon rather, you can mix them with Thanksgiving. Turkey face with sunglasses. Look at that. 575. Again, they've done it with the vintage concept. They've done it with sort of cartoonish concept there. They've added the bandana and the glasses and the leopard, right? So you just have to find the design elements that are doing well. We know pretty much all of them. If you just check out Merch Dominator, check the bestsellers, what's really selling, getting elements from here and elements from there, mash it up, and there you go, guys. It's literally not rocket science. Next, we have Thanksgiving with my Nomies. 3,000 results. The niche is doing well, yeah. But it has obviously more competition, so you just have to find a way to enter. Next, we have turkey face girl leopard bow, 150 results. 7K. This one is decent. Look at that. Not bad. It's not as good as the others, but then again, it doesn't have much competition really when you compare with the rest of the niches. Next, boys who just love the RMS Titanic. This is not related to Thanksgiving, but obviously I just wanted to throw it out there because I found it here on Merch Dominator. So yeah, wanted to show it to you as well. Where did it go? Yeah. So the niche is doing well. You're going to have to check, whether you can use Titanic or not. I just wanted to show you that it is selling. So the rest of the research is completely up to you. Next, Monster Truck Thanksgiving. So can you guys see the trend here? Right. So they're using different niches with Thanksgiving. And that's what we call cross-niching. You cross-niche, a holiday with a niche that sells well. We know that the Monster Truck niche crushes it, for boys. Right? Look at that. And so does construction vehicles. The construction vehicles niche does well as well. Dinosaurs, all that kind of stuff. They've actually mashed up two niches here with Thanksgiving. So you've got dinosaurs and you've got Thanksgiving. And obviously dinosaur with the turkey there. Dinosaur with the turkey riding what? Riding on a monster truck vehicle, right? You could do dinosaur with construction vehicles and turkey, whatever. Just keep mashing things up. They've added a pumpkin there as well. I'm just showing you ideas, guys. I teach the cutest little turkeys. Now look at that. Niche is doing well. You could do, I teach the cutest first grade turkeys or something like that, second grade, third grade. So expand on that niche a little bit, sub niche a little bit, dive deeper, go deeper. That's what it's about. Literally, if you're stuck for ideas, just pick a niche, right? And then dig deeper in that niche, just like I'm doing right now. So I typed, I teach the cutest little turkeys. I put it in product search on Merch Dominator, right? And what I do is I check out all the designs in this niche and I try and find a way to get in, right? I study the best sellers and I ask myself, why is it selling well? Let me get deeper into this niche. Right, next we have Thankful Teacher, Retro, Groovy, Thanksgiving. So 1,000 results, again, selling well. And they're using the groovy elements here. So you've got groovy fonts, even the groovy type designs as well. Sunflower or roses, groovy flowers, that kind of thing. It's not a sunflower, it's a flower. Right? They've even used a rainbow there. You can use leopard skin, various different things. You just need to try different ways until you make a sale. Thanksgiving scrub tops turkey nurse. So again, they've matched a profession with Thanksgiving. 774 results, not a lot really. Anything less than 1,000 is pretty good. Look at that BSR. It's pretty decent, guys, as you can see. Next, coolest turkey in the flock. So for the Halloween niche, we have this quote called the coolest pumpkin in the patch. But for Thanksgiving, you have the coolest turkey in the flock. Is it selling well? Yes. Look at that. Decent. And then you can play around with the design concepts, right? There's no issue with copying the quotes. There's literally no issue because that is what the demand is. That is what people want. That is where people are spending their money. So you don't have to think about coming up with a new quote, but you have to come up with a new design, a different type of design. Even if it is a variation of the best-selling design, as long as you're adding a bit of value, right? Next, we have Love Turkey Thanksgiving Nurse Life, 1,000 results there. BSI is decent. Look at that. Again, you just need to stand out from the crowd, right? Friendsgiving. It's 1,000 results, but I haven't seen many of them saying Friendsgiving. So we've got that one, Friendsgiving Squad. And it doesn't have the climate pledge friendly, so that is decent. Let's look at that. Yeah, there's that one there as well. Right? It's doing well. Make Thanksgiving great again. Trump Turkey. 156 results. There's a niche, guys. 9K in BSR. Not bad. Trumpkin Pie. Make Thanksgiving great again. 95K in BSR. Yeah, the niche is empty, guys. This niche is empty. Not bad. So again, guys, if you want to learn about how to work on prints on demand, check out the PDF. It's completely free. I'll leave you a link down below in the description. You'll find all the resources here. You know, joining Discord, you know, checking out my course, getting into the affiliate program of Merch Dominator, because you can get paid up to $61 per sale. And yeah, and much more, guys. All the resources, you'll find them here in my main prints on demand tools and discounts. So you've got pretty much everything right here to get started on prints on demand. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me down below in the comments. Do all the YouTube stuff, you know, like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you in the next video.